Fools Island, moving east at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Turkey Point, Hart Millet Island, Gunpowder River, Wharton Point, Fools Island, Spessooty Island, and Aberdeen Proving Ground. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.